Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to make a screw bar. This is the tutorial number 8 and let's start this tutorial. This is the screw bar. I am again doing the same thing which I did for the previous drawing. I am just going to make a half sketch of this drawing and make it revolve. So let's start the drawing by selecting new model and OK. Select the plane. Okay. Select line, start from this point, existing point, and I am turning off this auto continuous dimensioning. Just make a rough sketch. Okay, now give the dimension to the drawing. The small one is 5 diameter and the bigger one is 7 diameter, and this portion is 12 diameters. Okay, let me zoom it first so that you can see what is going over here. Okay, now you could be able to see this clearly. So the small one is about 5 diameters, so 5 diameter I'm selecting infrared dimension, click, and because this sketch is going to be revolved, so I am giving 5 divided by 2. Okay, that's why I first give the dimension at the very start point of the drawing, because now as you can see it suddenly becomes smaller. So sometimes if you make the entire drawing and you then after that you assign some dimension to it, it could disturb it it could disturb the total sketch of your model. So it's good always to give some dimension at the very start point of the sketching. Select linear dimension and the length is 6, clicking over it and assign 6 dimension, and select vertical, and it have 7 diameter. Select this point and this center point, 7, enter. I am selecting line to draw a horizontal line. Okay, okay, it is not the 7 but it is, I am going to make half circle now, so that's why feed 7 divided by 2, it is about 3.5. okay, it is right now. Select infrared for this line. I am assigning 12 mm length, and select again profile, draw another section. This is my another section. Okay, again select linear dimension, infrared. This line is 26 mm, close. Linear dimension again, select vertical, select this vertical line and this point, and I am going to assign dimension of 8 because the thickness of this part and this part is same, so it is 8 diameter. So for the half it is going to 4. Okay, I'm here now, and again select linear dimension, infrared, give 3 mm length for this, and now it is the time to determine what is the diameter of this part. So let me slide it to the first place. It is 12 mm diameter, as you can see here they have shown 12 mm diameter. So select linear dimension, again vertical, select this topmost of the line and select this point, and the half of the 12 is 6. Now draw the rest part of this tutorial. let's trim it, draw again, keep it up to this point. Okay, come a bit downward and again, and now draw a center line, trim the excessive portion. The this is 4 mm length, so assign 4 mm length, select infrared 4, enter. Okay, and the diameter of this small area is, let me see what is the diameter of this small area. This small area is about I think it is similar to this portion, so it is going to be 5 in diameter. So assign 2.5 for this area, select vertical line, select this downward line, and 2.5 for this area. And the next thing is yeah, this is the next thing, this is the last part of this drawing, so I'm a bit extending it by just clicking and dragging it. Again select linear dimension, infrared, select this area, and it is about 8 mm in length, and diameter it have 7 mm diameter. So select vertical and this down line, 7 divided by 2, close. And the last dimension which is left is the length of this screw bar is 70, लीनियर डायमेंशन वर्टिकल, और यहाँ से हॉरिजॉन्टल हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं, सेलेक्ट दिस पॉइंट एंड दिस पॉइंट, एंड इट इज़ अबाउट 70 mm लेंथ, क्लोज इट. It is 8, 7, 70. Okay, we have assigned all the dimension. We have assigned all the dimensions. So the next thing is, let me see where one constraint is left here. So let's check where it is going to be placed. Okay, it is moving forward and downward. Again select linear dimension, select vertical dimension, select these two line and apply 4 here. Okay, now our sketch is fully constrained, so it is time to revolve this shaft. Select after exiting the sketcher workbench, select revolve command. As soon as you click the revolve command, a property box come in front of you, and now it is asking the section. This is the section, and it is asking for the axis. Now this is the axis about which this whole sketch is going to be revolved, and apply OK and cancel. If you want to hide this sketch, you can hide this sketch by just right clicking and selecting the hide command. Okay, I guess one mistake is happened over there. Let me edit this sketch again. This is 4 mm. Okay, this is 2.5, and I think it is okay. It is 6, 70 mm diameter, 4 because it is 8 in diameter, and it is 7. Okay, I have found some mistake here, because this part is about 7 meter diameter and I feed here 2.5, so double click to change it, select 7 divided by 2. Now it is okay, and finish it. Okay guys, this is tutorial number 8, and 9 is about to come. Please like and subscribe our channel and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any notification from our channel CAD/CAM Solutions Meerut. And I hope you enjoyed it a lot. So thank you.